Hi again. Another quick run through some highlights from the Non-Designer's Design book. This time's Chapter 4, the element of repetition. And uh, repeated elements include things like fonts, colors, rules, graphics, and even themes. And she advises new designers in particular to really be somewhat heavy handed with repetition, or at least be bold, maybe not heavy handed. It gives a document, especially one that's longer, uh, unity. It makes it all one consistent whole. But even with one page documents, it unifies and gives a professional appearance. Uh, on these pages, I know you can't see it very well, too clearly, probably even in the PowerPoint, but just notice the rules at the top of the page. If you can see, there are these bars at the top and the bottom of the pictures, the consistent headings, fonts, and so forth. And even this little design element of the triangle instead of a bullet point there, and triangles, some of them pointing in different directions here. In these two pages, note that on the left, that may be a little hard to see there too, but it doesn't have to be just direct repetition, but kind of a theme. These are three different images of a heart shape. So it doesn't have to just be the same shape. These images on the right-hand page, it's kind of a repetition of design elements across different documents. I think we mentioned this before: letterhead, business cards, envelopes, that kind of thing. But the repetition here, it's the same font styles, the same colors. Notice that the illustrations, what's repeated is not the same figures being in each document, but the same style, kind of a comedic or low key, something fun that's repeated. This I know on the screen doesn't show up so clearly, but if you do look in your copy of the Non-Designer's Design book, you'll see that the fonts are repeated here throughout, and they're in different colors. They on the screen they look like they're just two colors or possibly three. And also again, it's kind of a theme. What's repeated here, not the same illustrations, but the same style. As William says, it's kind of funky and 50s. Here are a couple of pages from an 8-page booklet that I made advertising courses for fall offerings for the English department. And each one of these has a different theme each year. This year it's putting together the puzzle pieces for your piecing together your schedule. Sometimes spring, it may be flowers and so on. But on just a couple of the pages here, this would be folded in half and stapled. But so that's the front and the back pages with the puzzle pieces. And it's not on every single page throughout, but here's the second page, and I think the 7th page. So it doesn't have to be heavy-handed. I shouldn't have used that word initially. It does have to be intentional, though. It has to be persistent. So whether one page or throughout a document of much greater length, be consistent. And here for the PowerPoint, I really do hope you're looking at these in your own text, but just giving you the summary of this chapter. All right.